True beauty comes with wisdom. Choosing wisely means knowing what's best for your smile. So, which will you choose? A mouthful of stuff or a clear path to straight teeth? Meet 4D Aligner, a game-changing disruptor eliminating ugly attachments bonded to your teeth. Crafted with patented ActiveMemory material and 3D printing technology, this aligner is smarter than it looks. Featuring a multi-thickness design, 4D Aligner offers customized comfort. Each area is calibrated precisely to allow for smart, gentle forces, ensuring comfortable and effective treatment. Thin where it can be, thicker where it needs strength. Too tight? Ouch. Too loose? Oops. 4D Aligner knows what's just right and holds steady, applying constant, gentle force to move teeth the way nature intended, only better. Now let's take a closer look. Traditional aligners are made by thermoforming over a model, stretching plastic unevenly across the teeth, while leaving gaps and requiring awkward attachments for force. But with the innovative 4D Aligner, no attachments are needed in many cases. Each aligner is tailored to fit every tooth precisely, customizing the force by adjusting thickness and closing gaps for optimal movement. The accuracy of 4D Aligner is much higher, ensuring that teeth move precisely with the doctor's plan, which means you will have faster treatment, fewer visits, and a lower risk of treatment restarts. And with no attachments, your smile shines even brighter. No risk of attachment staining, nothing but your beautiful, natural smile throughout treatment. Let's witness the magic of ActiveMemory. Just pop 4D Aligner in hot water and voila, it's like new again. Consistent force, renewed alignment. It's like wearing a new aligner every day. Imagine that first love feeling, but for your teeth as your 4D Aligner bounces back. And now a word about sustainability. No excess models and no plastic waste. 4D aligners are directly 3D printed, reducing waste by over 90%. Ready to start? From scan to your first aligner, you can begin today. Yep, no more endless waiting. Start moving teeth today. 4D Aligner. Why settle for less when you can have 4D?